This is the pillbox that I use now. I made this years ago to teach myself how to solder this hinge section here. You can see it opens conventionally with a little snap clasp, and keeps my pills that I take every day around 5. Got kind of tired of it because it was such a square and kind of uncomfortable object in my pocket. So I decided I was going to make a new one, and I came up with this. And this one is quite a bit different. It's much more rounded and fits in the pocket a lot easier. It still has the hinge on this end, and then this clasp is probably the one and only in the world that is a magnet, repulsive magnets placed together here, and as you open it, you can see that the magnets crush together there a little bit and then snap back. So as this opens and closes, this little indent here on the side and this ball here push inwards on the magnets and then allows them to snap together nicely. When you do it fast, you can't even see it. It just snaps. And I believe that's the only one in existence. I got the idea for the clasp years ago. I bought this when I was a teen or so, and what it is round magnets that, if you place them on this properly, they repulse, and you can see that pushes away, and then you place more and more together here, and they push apart. So that I thought, well, that's kind of like a spring. Maybe if I got smaller ones, which I had seen at the hardware store, I could make a clasp of some sort, or I could create a spring that would give me the spring mechanism on a catch. Here are the smaller magnets. These are the same that you see in the catch back here. This is also on a shaft, and if you slip the final one on here, you can see that it repulses pretty good, and they're a much stronger magnet. It is pretty identical to the original concept here that was just a toy for me when I was younger, that I just thought was fascinating, that magnets could act that way.